The rice balls start with a red curry paste made with soaked red chillies, kaffir lime rind, shallots, galangal, lemongrass and shrimp paste. These are then pounded into a coarse paste.
I've got shredded coconut, which I've soaked in warm water, and I'm going to use that water later.
Minnie adds the coconut to steamed jasmine rice, pops in some crab meat, the fresh red curry paste, fish sauce, some sugar and an egg to bind it all together.
Not squeezing it, just separating the rice grains.
She rolls the rice mix into balls.
There we go.
And to make them extra crunchy when they're fried, dips them into a sticky rice slurry and beat an egg.
See how it's still crispy?
To make the rice ball salad, Minnie starts by crumbling fermented pork, which has been curing for 3 days, mixed with garlic and shredded pork skin. So this is part of the Lao love of sour flavour.
Yeah, this is like the Lao ham.
Minnie adds fish sauce and lime juice, some chiffonaded kaffir lime leaves, then the crunchy rice balls, peanuts, spring onions and coriander. She likes to serve it sang choy bao style in little lettuce cups or on betel leaves. I can't wait to taste this. Thank you, Minnie.